U Menteri Rangba ka jela u Konrad ki Sangma hakakat lai terik kelalingkon. Ula Plie ba ya ka State University ka Beningkong ka jela ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University ha ka jingadan lang ulampang ka yengdor bar tauan ka jela u Thomas Sangma. Simbut Menteri Rangba ka jela u Basnga Balang Dhar. Menteri Katanat Puli Puthi u Rakam Sangma. Menteri Katanat Boarding u Abu Tahir Mondal bat kiwe. Ya ki jingtei jong kaniga university la Plie ha u kelalingkot arjar Plie. Ha u jildiu arjar khat pra la ai ka jingmanjur bantei ya kaniga school ba ha ka jingmang ka bakot khat nriu point khandai nriu klor tingka. Ya kaniga school ba la ai ha ka kerteng jong Menteri Rangba Beningkong ka jela u Captain Williamson Sangma. Ha usnam arjar khatway ka jingtei ya kaniga university ha ka Beningkong kalongkum ka Captain Williamson Sangma State Technical University ban penyaso ki Technical College hapo ka jela. Henry House nam arjar arpuar ka sorkar jela kalapan kala no ya ka kerteng sya ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University kenang ban pentikna babaro ki Technical but non-technical college ken yo ban penyaso. Abashim ya ka ni ka jingple ya ka university kum kasngi sa jingkan ma u Menteri Rangba ulaong kani ka university kan syakri tang ha kabayadei be ki jingpuli ke bakham shalor Henry kan tiuru halor ki kam wat bania bat ki boitre kam bathamai ka banwanra ka jingkala ha ka liang ka puli puthi hapo ka jela ki weipat ki bala jingkran ha kani kasngi ki kenthop ya simbut lampang ka yendor bar thawan u Timothy di Shira ki MLA ki bakenthop ya Sanjay Sangma lan botham ki Sangma Subir Marak Sengchim Marak, Jim Sangma, Williamson Sangma, Marthan Sangma, Vice Chancellor University, Professor Vasanthi Vijaya Kumar, CEM ke GHA DC Albinus Marak, Deputy CEM Nikman Marak, nalor kiwepan. Lakban kedau baka University Grants Commission, kalai itho ya ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University, katkum ka kendon Section 2F, jong ka UGC Act 1956 katkum ka shithi jong ka nriyo tarik no pra arjar arpasang.
Youngsters and the students who will study here, you have this opportunity which nobody else will have because the foundations that you will lay is going to ensure the future of not just the university but the future of our state as mentioned by our Education Minister. We are with you to support you in every way possible. I know we need huge investments. I'm not saying I can do all of it in one go. But we will work hand in hand, overcome the challenges that come ahead of us. And we will make sure that we make this university a shining example, not just in our state or in the Northeast region, but in the country as a whole. I wish you the very best. I congratulate you on taking over as the VC. I thank the colleges today who have come for affiliation, and I appeal to the rest of the colleges. In the last 4 years, we were able to exempt our colleges from CUET exam. But now that we have our own state university, this exemption will not be there anymore. Any college who is affiliated to NEHU, the students who will apply to those colleges will have to give the CUET exam. But if you are affiliated to Captain Williamson Sangma State University, you will not have to, or the students will not have to give CUET exam. This is the difference. And we are not forcing you. We can't force you. It is your choice, as said by Sanbor Shulai. It is your choice. You can choose to affiliate to NEHU, or you can choose to affiliate to Captain Williamson Sangma University, State University. The difference is only this, that with Captain Williamson Sangma State University, you will not be required to give the CUET exam during admissions. But with NEHU, you will have to give the CUET exam. And we will not get exemption anymore in the future. So I urge the colleges, please take this opportunity and affiliate with the university. We will make it very easy and very simple, and I urge the VC to ensure that we make it as smooth as possible without much problem to the colleges to start affiliating with our university.
As they make the grand yard entry, they greet everyone with an extended hand and go on with their dance steps. The ritual dance of Bangla, which began with the incense ritual, is continued in the grand way as the Nogla leads everyone in dancing. This dance is meant to entertain the gods and the men in the yard. Bangla was performed for the first time in the underworld. At that time, it was Ajema, or the white-tailed bird, that waved and fluttered its tail this way and that way, and shook its leg in its passion and rhythm, thus initiating the first steps of the Bangla dance. Hence, it was the white-tailed bird that taught men the same movements and steps of dancing. In this dance item, the ladies dance imitating sowing of paddy seeds in the dune field. Makreruka. As the plantation in the dune field begin to yield fruit, the monkeys visit the field and feast on the dune products. This dance